What is going on, guys? It is James from Exploring with A2J. We have found this abandoned farm equipment, and we found a few cars. There's only a little bit of it here, but we can have a look. We just go through here now. I'm not sure what cars these are, but if you guys actually know what the cars are, put them in the description down below and tell us a bit of information, because I really want to know what these cars are. There's loads of farm equipment over there. There's also a Subaru here. I'm not sure what model it is. There's loads of stuff in the back of there. We just go around here now. For some reason this is just in the middle of nowhere. We just found it when we were coming through. We have a Ford Carrera, I think that's 1.8. We can just have a look. It's quite a nice looking car. There's some old farm equipment here. These cars are actually quite old. We just go around here now. I see John Deere over there. I think that might be a grass cutter or something. There's not a lot here, apart from it's just farm equipment, to be honest. There's 3 cars there. For some reason, if they did that up, they've actually decent running cars. Here's the Subaru. We'll just have a look at this. There you go. I think that is pretty much about it. This is a farm graveyard, sorry. They've got loads of farm equipment for some reason. It's just been left here. You see, this is off a forklift truck. Here we go. There's all the equipment here. Here's the car once again. If you could put in the comments what model these are, and like if you know much information about them, but I don't really know. I'm not really a car person, but I'd like to know what they are. So there you go. That is a car graveyard as well as some farm equipment. It's quite weird how they've just left everything here, but it's quite a cool place. So if you enjoyed this little explore of this graveyard, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check out some of the videos that we've done on our channel. There's some decent videos on there. So if you like this, once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.